Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make eggs yummy. To begin, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl for a single serving. Use a fork to whisk them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are completely combined. For extra richness and a fluffier texture, add a small splash of milk or cream to the mixture. This simple step sets the foundation for truly delicious eggs. Now, let's cook them perfectly. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat until it shimmers. Pour in your whisked egg mixture and let it sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds. Then, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this process to create soft, beautiful curds. Next, it's time to add some flavor. Season your eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For delicious variations, consider incorporating a handful of shredded cheese, some finely chopped fresh herbs, or even a few cooked vegetables. Remember to cook the eggs until they are just set and still slightly moist, avoiding any overcooking to maintain their tender texture. Finally, remove your eggs from the heat immediately to prevent them from cooking further in the residual warmth of the pan. Serve your wonderfully fluffy and flavorful eggs warm, perhaps on a slice of toasted bread or alongside your favorite breakfast items. Enjoy this quick, satisfying, and protein-rich meal, perfect for any time of day. It's an easy way to make eggs truly yummy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.